I'm Ginny. If you don't know who I am and I'm popping up on your timeline, I'm from the beautiful Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Feel free to leave a comment, ask a question, or say hi, but I'm not seeing the comments because I'm showing you something, so I will come back later and answer them or whatever, or say hi. So I want to show you a couple of things. I'm going to show you, I'm going to actually create a new promotional picture, you know, that I used yesterday. I showed you how to cut one out, and I'm going to use that in my promotion today. And I need a new one because I've been doing the same ones over and over again. Let me share my screen. Let's see. I'm going to share, which screen should I share? This one? Yeah, that's the promotion I picked. But I also created my own funnel for it. So, not that you know, I need to know that part, but let me bring up my I'm going to show you on Canva first, and then I'm going to show you on another one, because Canva is a little bit, I mean, a lot of people like to use it, and you know, I've been using it for a long time, but there's another one too that you can use if you find it easier. So I'm going to hit create a design, and it's going to be a Facebook post because that's where I do most of my promotional material. And I'm going to click uploads. I should make sure that you can see my screen. Hey, let me go over here and double check. I got to look on my phone because I'm broadcasting from Zoom. If I can get it to come up. Might not be able to. My internet is a little bit limited, so. I think you can see my screen. I'm just going to keep going because I'm pretty sure you can see my screen. Here, I can go over here. If I click here, meeting controls. Yeah, I'm sharing this screen. Okay, good. So I uploaded this picture yesterday that I cut out, and I showed you how to do that. If you need that video, you can find it on my YouTube channel, or you can go back to my free stuff. So see how my eyes are kind of looking up? So I'm going to put it on this side of the box so that, you know, people, when they're looking at your photos, kind of look where your eyes are looking. It's just kind of a subliminal thing. I might be using the wrong word. I'm going to add a heading. And since the promotion that I picked, let's see, if I go to that promotion, it was how to get up to 30 leads a day using all these free strategies. So I'm going to say, actually it's 10 strategies. I'm going to make it wider by dragging it out. Actually, it's 10 strategies to get people calling you. So you don't have to chase people down. That's kind of cool. I don't know if I like it like that or like that. I think I'll leave it like that. Okay, now I want to make it pop a little bit, right? So I'm going to duplicate it and change that font color to white. And I'm going to use my arrow keys on my keyboard so that I'm not. And what's cool about this is I can make it as thick as I want, you know, or as thin as I want. So I'm just going to move it around until I feel like it's happy, like I'm happy with it. And then I'm going to duplicate it again. This is the pain in the butt part, okay? With Canva, it's not easy to add, you know, outline to your text. So you just got to keep duplicating it and positioning it backward. And then I click position again, use my arrow keys to move it around, because you just want to keep going until you get happy with your outline. And you just keep doing it over and over again until you get it where you want it. That's how you do it in Canva. I'm fixing to show you a different software. What I do like about this is that I can make it as thick as I want. But the other software is easier. I'm going to do it a couple more times. And it's not as fast because I want some on the bottom here. And then once I have this done, so you want to make sure you have your text the way you want to say it, because if I have to start all over, I got to do all this again. Whoops. Well, now I got to make it black again because there we go. This video will be on YouTube too, so if you wanted to relook at it and pause it as you worked on your own stuff, you know, you could do that. So there's that. I'm going a little bit longer today because it's Saturday. I don't have other work I have to get to. There, that's good enough for me anyway. So now I have some text on there that will pop. So I'm gonna just, that's already saved. I'm just gonna leave it alone, because what I do is then I go to my phone. I have the Canva app installed on my phone, and I'll download it to my phone and I'll upload it with some text to a bunch of groups. And what happens is my friends see my posts in those groups. It's not, you know, a lot of people think that they're spammy groups. Yeah, they are. There's a lot of spam in there. But if you're doing it right, your friends see it, and those are the ones that you want. Okay, so now I'm going to open up this other software. This one's called Stencil, and I will put a link to it if you want. I'll put a link to both of them under this video somewhere. So I uploaded that picture again. So again, I'm going to put it over here. This is going to be a lot faster. So there I am looking over there. I need some text. Oh, right here, add text. Sorry. Okay, and I want impact, that's good. I want it bigger. But let's put that text in there. 10 ways to get, I want to move it, there we go. Leads calling you. Make it a little bigger. And I want an outline. So actually I'm going to make this text color white. Oh, over here, I got to click over here for the white. Well, it's not quite white. That's okay. Oh, over here, I got to click that. Okay. And then your outline color, I want it to be black. Now this is cool because on the other software, I can't change anything. You know what I mean? Because I'd have to go through the outlines again. So if I wanted to change the font, I could do that. I think I'm going to leave it on impact. Oh, I like that one. And I can change the size, whatever. So there it is. So I can certainly, I'll save it. And I'm done with that. So then what I will do is I'll grab my link. Now, I don't know if you want to see, these are all the campaigns I get to pick from. And the one I picked was this one. Top 10 tips to 50 leads a day, which on the page it actually says 30. So I'm using that, but I also created my own little funnel so that it would have a little bit of me on it. So I'm going to copy that link. And then you'll see, because you're my friend, you'll see me posting in all those groups, and that's how you do it. So I'll put a link to Stencil and to Canva in there so that I'm sure I can, I don't know if Stencil has a, anyway, I'm going to stop sharing. That's how you add some text that pops. Pretty easy, right? The Canva one takes a little bit longer, but you can make it thicker, and the Stencil one is a lot quicker. So you could just, you know, do your things on the fly and get going. And a lot of us are short on time, so that's why we do it that way. I hope you have a great day. I'll put those links under there. I'm done. See you later. I'll look at your questions later.